Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable mail notification remind me alerts on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on mail. Next, we tap on notifications, and from here we scroll down and then tap on customize notifications, then tap on remind me, then tap on alerts. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or turn off remind me alerts for the mail notifications. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.